Now that we have come to the end of the week, it's time to release the week's stress and get ready to enjoy the weekend. Let's start by unwinding with a calming breath. Find a quiet spot and sit comfortably. Close your eyes and let's get started. We are going to start with taking a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment. And slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel the tension leaving your body. Inhale deeply again, imagining the stress melting away. Hold it. And exhale slowly. Picture yourself surrounded by calm and peace. One more time. Deep breath in. Hold it. And exhale all your worries. You've earned this moment of tranquility. As you breathe in, think about the fun and happiness awaiting you this weekend. When you exhale, let go of any tension your body is holding from the work week. Stop thinking that you are too busy to meditate. It's this easy. Now take another deep breath in. Clear your mind of everything. As you breathe out, focus only on this moment. This moment is peaceful and tranquil, and there is no stress here. Take another deep breath in and let your body relax. Now feel your body get lighter as you exhale and let go of all thoughts from the week. Make sure to take just a few minutes each day to meditate to help keep you stress-free. As you continue to breathe in, picture a scene that brings you happiness, anything that makes you feel good inside. Each time you exhale, remove all stress from your mind and let the tension your body is holding just float away. Breath in. And now breath out. Repeating this process until you are completely relaxed from your head to your toes. Take another breath in. Make this one a big, deep breath. Hold it for 4 seconds. And now release the breath, feeling it take all your stress with it. Come back to the image you had in your head. As you breathe in this time, see it vividly. See every moment of it as you hold that breath. Now this time as you exhale, see yourself in that moment, laughing and enjoying yourself. You can see yourself there. You see yourself happy and peaceful. You can feel yourself relaxed and ready for the weekend. Now, take your last breath in. You're ready to embrace restfulness and joy. Hold it. And now, release. Whenever you're stressed, remember this simple breathing exercise. You have time to do this at the end of every day. Make time for it, and you will see how it can transform your mental health. Thanks for joining me. I'm so glad you are here to relax with me. Have a peaceful weekend. Don't forget to breathe.